Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello student, good morning to all. Today in class ninth, chemistry, chapter 1, matter in our surroundings. So dear student, here I select new concept for you, that is the latent heat. It is also known as hidden heat, means cannot see. So, you know very well, whenever we raise the temperature, then a solid substance change into liquid and liquid change into gaseous. What there is no increase or raise of the temperature of the substance, means to say only their physical state can be changed. So student, here latent heat means meaning of latent, hidden. So here the heat energy which has to supply it to change the state of substance, means only state of substance can be changed, but overall no increase in the temperature. So this is the called latent heat, means to say latent heat does not change in temperature increase or raise. So now here two type of latent heat. One is latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. The heat required to convert a solid into liquid state. This is called latent heat of fusion, or it is also known as latent heat of melting. So this is the first latent heat of fusion. Now second one, latent heat of vaporization, means the heat required to convert a liquid into the vapor or gas state is called latent heat of vaporization. So student, here two, one is latent heat of fusion and second latent heat of vaporization. Now here question arises, why temperature is not increase or raise in latent heat. So student, you know very well, solids, liquids or gaseous, particles or molecules, they binds together via interparticle force by which they are combined together. So the initially heat we supplied to overcome the force of attraction means their particles they move further and further away from each other. So it is about latent heat of fusion or melting, or latent heat of vaporization. Now student, latent heat of fusion or latent heat of melting. So here one experiment by which you can understand the latent heat of fusion. So first of all, we have take some crushed ice in a beaker and with the help of iron string we can suspend the thermometer where temperature 0 degrees centigrade. One stirrer, one wire gas and one tripod stand and burner. So student, initially when we kept the thermometer in a beaker where crushed ice is present, so the temperature is 0 degrees centigrade. Means here temperature 0 degree centigrade. Now we can increase the temperature or raise the temperature with the help of a small burner. So student, as it supplied, ice start melting. And we can record it every minute reading on the thermometer. So as far as heat supplied, ice melt more and more, but there will be no increase in the temperature on thermometer. This is a 0 degree centigrade. So with the help of this experiment, a student, you know, during melting of ice there is no increase or no raise the temperature. Means to say, solid ice converted into liquid, but the temperature remain 0 degree centigrade. Means here latent heat only change the state of matter, solid to liquid, but there is overall no increase in the temperature. So this is a latent heat of fusion. So the heat which is going into ice but not increasing its temperature is the energy required to change the state of ice from solid to liquid, means water. So this is the one experiment for you, that is the latent heat of fusion or latent heat of melting. Now student, here latent heat of fusion of a solid is the quantity in joules required to convert 1 kilogram of solid to liquid without any change in temperature. In very simple words, suppose that we want 1 kilogram of ice into water. So the energy we supplied to convert ice into water, so it is known as latent heat of fusion. So for water, 1 kg of ice converted into water while taking 3.34 into 10 to the power 5 joule energy. So heat energy is used up in changing the state of solid substance by overcoming the force of attraction. A question arises here. During melting of ice, why it is not change in the temperature or rise in the temperature? Because the particles of ice, they bind together with the help of force of interaction. So to overcome this force of interaction, some amount of energy is required to break down it. So here about latent heat of fusion or latent heat of melting. So thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.